Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creaming butter until smooth. This traps air for structure. Start on medium speed for 1 minute, then scrape the bowl. You want a pale, fluffy base. Once the butter is light, add half the powdered sugar and mix slowly to avoid clouds of sugar. Make sure to add sugar gradually because it controls texture. If you rush, the frosting will be grainy. Continue until integrated, then pause to taste for balance. Now you refine texture and flavor. Add the rest of the powdered sugar in 2 batches so the mixer doesn't struggle. Once combined, pour in 2 tablespoons of milk and the vanilla, then beat and assess consistency. Thicker for piping, thinner for spreading. If it's too stiff, add the remaining tablespoon of milk 1 teaspoon at a time. Whip briefly on high to incorporate air. This lightens the buttercream. Then stop and check texture and taste. You're at the finish line. Transfer buttercream into a piping bag and pipe directly onto cooled cupcakes using steady pressure. If buttercream looks too soft, chill the bag 5 to 10 minutes and then pipe. If it's too firm, let it sit at room temperature for 15 minutes and re-whip briefly. One key troubleshooting tip: if the frosting is grainy, beat in a teaspoon of warm milk and whip for 30 to 60 seconds to dissolve sugar crystals and restore silkiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.